Inspired by the movie he watched, Toro made crowns from leaves, wore them, and then acted like he was a king in the playground. Because he enjoyed his role so much, Toro dared to command all the animals in the park. However, Toro was laughed at by his friends because he acted like a real king. Toro realized his mistake. He took off his artificial leaf crown and chose to join his friends in playing rather than continuing to act as a king. Toro turned out to be happier when playing with his friends. He realized that togetherness is more important than power and other useless things.